How to change Facebook location settings. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change Facebook location setting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Facebook. After you do that, head over to the menu on the bottom right corner. Tap on menu and on the top right, you will see a gear icon. Tap on it to head over to your settings. After you do that, scroll down all the way and there you should find different options. So under there you'll find one option called your device permissions. So let's find that. It should be somewhere around here. Let me search. Okay, there it is. It's under your activity. Tap on it and after you're there you'll see your location. There you can tap on see info and after you do that you can update by tapping on update settings. Tap on it and after you tap on it, open up your device settings as well. After doing that, you can then simply turn off the location services for this app. There, search for location and after you search for location, you will simply be able to turn it off. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.